Koreto Obokoreri ang'ena Omokenya amenyeteri Anyore Obokoreri obwikiranu boigo ase enchera y'obwango. Ainkoreng'ana n'omoriki omonene ase wizara y'oborendi bwa emerembo nomolo ase enkwana ya chingaki omeranire n'ababwatani abasubati ba African Divine Church Mama Region nigo aerere buna kera Omokenya naganiti Obokoreri obwikiranu obwa serikali ya bono egenderete kurwa ase boigo aerere buna enkwana igoro y'amaroro y'ense ya Kenya gwetani omwaka bw'echile 2030 eyo agenderete
This country belongs to all of us.
Yes.
This country must develop, and for it to develop, there must be inclusion.
Yes.
And there is no better inclusion than that is being spearheaded by His Excellency President Ruto.
Yes.
If it is on education, every child, irrespective of which corner of the country a child comes from, is given an opportunity to go to school.
Yes.
By ensuring that we have enough teachers to look after our children.
Yes.
If it is healthcare, it is universal.
Yes.
Kila Mkenya sasa ako na hiyo bima ya Taifa Care.
Yes.
So that the way we are planning for those who live in Nairobi is the same way we are planning for those who live in Kakamega, for those who live in Busia, for those who live in Kisumu, for those who live in Nyeri. If it is housing that is meant to give all of us dignity,
Yes.
we are doing housing in every part of the country.
Yes.
And that means that we are also creating jobs in every part of the country.
Yes.
So that every Kenyan contributes to the development of the economy of this country.
Yes.
If it is leadership, every community is on the table.
Yes.
And irrespective of how people voted, the development is being done equally across the country.
Yes.
That for the first time, we have a leadership that is treating Kenyans equally.
Yes.
And that is why when we go to the elections next year, we have no doubt in our mind, and we have no apologies, that we will elect President Ruto to sustain the transformation that is undertaking in this country.
Yes.
And as we begin the conversation on vision, beyond Vision 2030, ile Kenya tutakayo baada ya 2030, lazima tukae chini, kila mtu atoe maono yake, ndio tujue tutaishi kivipi.